leadership is going to require you to change. You know, leadership, true leadership, you can't stay the same. You have to take risks. You have to make moves that normal people aren't going to understand. They're going to be upset. They're going to feel some kind of way. Real leadership brings emotions out. You know, you have to lead the people from a place of love. And then they're not leaders themselves. So they don't understand the moves that you're making all the time. And they're confused. And this is where confidence comes in. You have to inspire your people. You have to inspire them to believe in you. There has to be a large level of trust there. Because if there's no trust there, they're not going to understand what you're doing. They're going to feel pain. They're going to feel fear. They're going to be very emotional. Because any big change operation is like a roller coaster. There's ups and downs, twists and turns. When you're trying to change something or take something from nothing into being, it's a process. And that process is very rocky. And there's a lot of fast movement. And there's a lot of confusion. And people don't understand exactly what's taking place because it's not their home turf. The leader is playing on the home court, but the followers are away from home. They don't understand what's going on. So you have to orient them. You have to teach them, and you teach them by being the example. But in order for them to follow you to learn, they have to trust you. They have to trust you. So you have to come from a place of authenticity, and you have to be able to be trusted. You have to be inspiring, motivational, authentic. You have to have integrity and ethics. And they have to believe you. They have to believe you. So even when you don't believe yourself, you have to have faith. And you have to put on the air of confidence that you know what you're doing and you're going to get them through. Because if not, leadership is lost. It's over. As soon as people can't trust you or feel like they can't believe in you, it's a sinking ship. You got to get away from a sinking ship as fast as possible. Leadership.